Hello, my name is Lila Devi and I am the founder of Spirit in Nature Essences for Perfect Well-Being. This is the last in a series of 20 videos to introduce you to our line of 20 flower essences according to their particular placement within our essence spectrum chart. Today we are very happy to present to you our grape essence for love and devotion, as you might be able to tell, a very popular essence. If you think about the grapevine from which grows the tiny bud of the grape blossom from which we make our essences, you'll notice its quality, its ability to entwine itself around anything upon which it grows. This very much symbolizes the entwining nature of the grape's energy found in our essence, for embracing life, for embracing others, for being there in a very committed and devoted way to life itself. For love and devotion, grape essence is one of our most popular extracts. Many people, especially in crowded cities, experience loneliness, isolation, or unfulfilling relationships. Grape helps us with the death of a loved one, divorce, separation, neglect, or possibly abandonment issues. It reminds us that the love we seek is never lacking, but resides within us, simply waiting to be expressed. For adults, children, and for pets, this essence carries the message, as the Beatles sang decades ago, love is all you need. Spirit in Nature's grape essence enhances the following qualities: a realization of the inner source of love, purity, love without condition, demand, or expectation, patience with others' shortcomings, flowing with the longer rhythms in relationships, and lastly, for transcendence. The benefits of Spirit in Nature essences are greatly enhanced when using them with affirmations. If you wish, please follow me now in repeating the grape essence affirmation. By loving all, I become whole. I need nothing, for I am ever one with Spirit. By loving all, I become whole. I need nothing, for I am ever one with Spirit. Thank you for visiting us online at www.spiritinnature.com with 2 dashes, spirit-in-nature.com. This concludes our series of 20 videos. We hope you have enjoyed each and every one of them. Not only the message, but the life force coming through nature itself, through our glorious flowers in the background, through the flower essences and their special messages to us, and certainly through your own being. We wish for you perfect well-being.